Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm back with my furnace that I made just yesterday. It's amazing. Of course, you can't. Oh, there goes the marshmallows. Anyways, it's dying down a bit, but when it was hot, it broke the cup. Yes, Ethan. Hi, that's it. Wow, Ethan, don't put more coals in there. We're gonna let it die down. This is supposed to be made so that I can melt some aluminum, but that glass thing over there was my crucible. It kind of failed epically and broke before it even started.
Did.
Oh, shut it, Matthew.
Can't shut up. There's something probably shut up.
You and your memes, or... No, not memes. You and your puns. Anyways, once I get a crucible, I'll be melting metal and I'll be showing that to you too. So, I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye-bye.